Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring for consistency. Scale the recipe to your target batch size. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and creamed butter sugar in another so texture is controlled. Once done, add eggs one at a time and alternate with milk to prevent overmixing, because texture matters for repeatability. Make sure to check oven temperature with a thermometer and line pans precisely. This avoids uneven bakes and saves product loss when you scale up for orders. You now focus on controlled mixing and portioning for uniformity. Mix at medium speed until just combined so you preserve a tender crumb, and explain why. Overbeating develops gluten and ruins texture. Next, portion batter with a 60 ml scoop to guarantee consistent size and baking time. Consistency keeps cost predictable. Once in the oven, bake on a centered rack and rotate trays halfway through, because even heat distribution prevents doming and supports identical batches for customers. You finish by chilling cupcakes briefly to stabilize crumb and make piping clean. This also improves shelf life slightly. Pipe consistent swirls using the same tip and pressure, then weigh and label each box with batch date and allergen info to meet customer expectations. If texture or rise is off, check leavening age and oven calibration first, because those are the most common failures. Finally, sample one for flavor balance and adjust butter to sugar ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.